with a special package. This is from Thrift Vintage Fashion. The video is in collaboration with them, but they do mystery thrift boxes. So I'll talk more about them in a second, but I'm going to Disneyland next week. So I talked to the owner and I said, hey, I need a Disney themed mystery box. And she was like, I got you. So inside of here are hopefully some goodies I can wear to Disney next week. So let's see what's inside. Okay, before we actually get into the box, I want to tell you about Thrift Vintage Fashion and Thrift Vintage Outlet. These are two companies owned by the same woman. She was really cool because she was telling me about how secondhand shopping works. I had no idea, but I guess it starts in the thrift store. People donate their items to Goodwill, Salvation Army, Savers, whatever. But then the items that don't sell there, they then go to a rag house. I had no idea what a rag house is, but basically it's like all the stuff that didn't sell at the thrift store in a giant warehouse that they then open up to let people scout items that they think should not be, you know, they give them another chance at life. They give them another chance at life, and that's what Thrift Vintage Fashion does. Specifically, if you are a vintage reseller, Thrift Vintage Fashion does all the searching for you. So instead of you spending hours at the thrift store looking for certain things to curate your store with, what Thrift Vintage Fashion will do is they will go through the items, pick the best of the best from the rag houses, and then sell them to you. So you can buy as small as 5 pieces per category or 100-pound bales per category. And they have different categories, whether it's Disney, Levi's, jeans, like all these different categories. So if this sounds like you, like if you're into reselling or if you have a vintage shop you need to curate, go look up Thrift Vintage Fashion because they just do all the hard work for you and send you really nice bundles of clothing. So you don't have to spend hours at the thrift store. Because you know, the thrift store, my longest time at the thrift store was like 6 hours, and I'm not even a reseller, so I don't know what's up with that. I don't know. And if you aren't a vintage reseller, they have mystery boxes like this one here, and they have different categories. So you can do t-shirts, sweatshirts, shirts, denim, jackets, like whatever you want. You could get a mystery box, and you can do themes, like you could do college, NASCAR, NFL, sports. Like they just have so many options. So if you're in that category, that's an option too. Those are two things that are really cool, and I was excited that they sponsored this video and wanted to work together because I was like, wow, if you are a thrifter, this is a dream come true. So the last thing that they offer is if you are in the Florida area, they have a 5,000 square foot warehouse in Hialeah, I think that's how you say. They're open 6 days a week, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., Tuesday to Sunday, and it's a curated thrift store that only sells trendy categories of vintage and retro clothing. So they have bins separated by t-shirts, sweatshirts, and bottoms where the prices are $6, $9, and $12. And then they have like racks of clothes that has clothes from $15 to $35. And then they have like a really curated special room, and that's $40 to $200. So they have all the price points if you're into thrifting and you want to thrift in person at this outlet. I wish I could go to that outlet. I'm in LA, but if I ever am in Florida, I'm going there to go thrifting because that seems like, again, another maybe a 6-hour thrift trip. That's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, and so the way it's set up, they have Thrift Vintage Outlet, and then they have Thrift Vintage Fashion, and then in the middle, they have markets where they have a ton of vendors where it's like just a fun pop-up event. If you want to vend at this event in South Florida, it's $25 to be a vendor. They're looking for resellers, they're looking for artisans, they're looking for food vendors. Like, it just sounds like a fun day. It just sounds like, honestly, a thrifting paradise. Okay, so now that we know more about Thrift Vintage Fashion and Thrift Vintage Outlet, let's look at their mystery box. Let's see how they did. I really am excited to see what's inside. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't even peeked. It came here 2 days ago, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna wait until I can unbox this on camera. I'm using a key. I don't know if keys are the best for unboxings. I love Disneyland, and I'm taking my daughter for the first time. She has never been. I don't know if she's like too young for Disney. She's 6 months, so we're probably just gonna take her to like see the parades. And I haven't watched the parade since I was little, so it's gonna be fun like being a mama in Disneyland. And here's what they sent. Okay, so there's a card inside. Bring the thrift store to your door, which we love. I have a thrifting problem. We love thrifting from home. And online thrifting is great, but this is a mystery. I don't even know what's in here. Okay, so here are the goods. I got the goods here. Let's see. Oh, this is a little Christmas sweater with Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore and Piglet, and there's a little Christmas tree, and there's like little snowflakes. That's such a cute little holiday design. And then it's from the Disney store. It looks comfy. I think I told them I wanted a medium, so I think everything, oh no, I got a small. I think I got the small medium box. But yeah, this just looks cute and comfy to wear around the house. So I am happy with this. It's good quality. It's just like a nice cozy holiday piece. Ooh, okay, the next item, hold on. This is like super oversized. I think this one is for my husband. She said she was gonna throw something in for my husband. I don't see the size on the tag. Oh, I do, it's extra large. This is also from the Disney store. I think he's gonna like this one. This one says, the Main Mouse Mickey. This is really cool. Okay, I'm gonna give this to him and I'll probably steal this and wear this. This is a nice design. Sometimes the Mickey Mouse designs are like, I don't know, like really bold and colorful and cheesy, but this one's like kind of like cool and minimal, and it has this really nice, like, it's textured. It's almost like 3D. I don't know if you can see it's popping up. Oh, but it does look like he's missing an ear. But I thought that was just like the design. Like, is that the style? I don't know if he's missing the ear, if that's the style, but I think it looks cool. That again is like a comfy little sweatshirt. All right, then we have Cool Guy Mickey, Canada. Oh, look at those sleeves. I wasn't expecting that when it popped open. I'm like, whoa, I thought it was just gonna be a plain white tee. So I like the colors on that. I wasn't expecting the pop of color. This is giving me like 90s kind of vibe. This one is by Velvo Sheer. What size is this? This one, 100% cotton, which is nice. So, I don't know, cotton shirts are really good for your hair too. I'm not gonna use it for my hair, I don't think, but it's hard to come by 100% cotton shirts. And if you're ever drying your hair, instead of using a towel, they say to use cotton. But yeah, this shirt, I don't know why Mickey says Canada. Like, I don't think there's a Disneyland in Canada, but I guess Canadians have love for Disneyland too. But look how cool Mickey is with his little glasses. He's in like a cool little pose. I like this one. I'm wondering if maybe I'll style the pieces. Maybe, yeah, I'll style the pieces at the end. I'll show you how I would wear these. But yeah, that one's nice. This one's actually, it has a little bit of a hole on the front, but like you can't really tell. All right, there's a few more items in here. This one's nice. This is a nice texture. This one has Tigger on it. I specified too. I think I told her like I want Mickey and then I want Winnie the Pooh pieces. But this one, you can tell it's like a lightweight material, but like it's going to be good for layering. I don't know if I mentioned I wanted more minimal pieces or what, but this one's nice. I like that it's like simple, little Tigger on the side. The Tigger is cute. I love anything with like a little embroidery on it. And then it has a navy blue neckline. This one I can probably just wear with like leggings and just be casual lounging around in. And this one looks like it's actually really good quality from the Disney store. All right, and then last but not least, this doesn't say what size it is, but there is a really wide, this seems really wide for some reason, but it's Winnie the Pooh and all his pals. This is so cute. I'm really interested in how I can style these and which one I'm going to end up wearing at the park. It depends what the weather is. I don't know if it's gonna be hot or cold. LA is like a mystery and it's September, so yeah, we'll see what it is. But this one might be good to wear to the park if it is a hot day. But this one's cute. This is a giant graphic. I'm really curious to see like how it fits on the body. This one does have a little bit of a stain on the armpit. So I think that's one thing about the mystery boxes. If you are getting a mystery box, just be prepared that, especially there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in my box. Just be prepared that all the items may not be super perfect. The stain is on the sleeves. I might just crop the sleeve, or like one of the items had like a little hole in it. I could put a little like patch there. Just know that you never know what you're gonna get from the mystery box. So be prepared for little holes and little stains and make sure you check for those things. But overall, I think these items are super cute. All right, thank you Thrift Vintage Outlet and Thrift Vintage Fashion for sponsoring this video. Again, make sure to check them out. All their information is in the description box down below. If you're ever in South Florida, let me know if you check out their amazing store. They just have so many options for resellers, for just normal thrifters, and everyone in between. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below which outfit or item was your favorite, and I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!